Switching from a POCO phone to an iPhone, transferring music and files can feel tricky. In this video, we'll show you 4 easy methods to move your music from POCO to iPhone without hassle. Way 1. Transfer music from POCO to iPhone with phone transfer. Transferring your music from POCO to iPhone doesn't have to be complicated. With phone transfer, it's a breeze. This easy-to-use software helps you transfer, manage, and back up your files between phones and computers. Steps to transfer music from POCO to iPhone using phone transfer. Step 1. Connect your POCO phone and iPhone to the computer with USB cables. Open phone transfer and it will detect both devices automatically. Step 2. On your POCO device, go to the music section. Choose the songs you want to transfer. Step 3. Click Export to Device and select your iPhone as the destination. The software will start transferring the music to your iPhone. Way 2. Copy music from POCO to iPhone via Windows File Explorer. Connect POCO Copy Music to PC. Open iTunes Add Songs. Connect iPhone Sync Music. Way 3. Transfer music from POCO to iPhone with email. On POCO, open Gmail, compose, enter iPhone email, attach music, send. On iPhone, open Gmail, download attachments, save songs. Way 4. Move music from POCO to iPhone via SHAREit. Install SHAREit on both devices. POCO, send, select music, send. iPhone, receive, accept, transfer. Music saved on iPhone.